guys, this is Mahima Agarwal. Today I am preparing this video for the Kaiser Academy where I had learned about whole digital marketing for the Kaiser Academy. So a few months ago I was stuck about my career. Then I heard about this academy. I am so glad to choose this field. So before 4 months ago I did join this academy. Being a student, Kaiser Academy is a great experience for me. We can learn about digital marketing in depth in this academy. This academy get placed in good company in 30 days. ये कंपनी सब पर ध्यान देती है लाइक मॉक इंटरव्यूज राउंड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एक्सेट्रा द मेंटर ऑफ काइजर अकेडमी इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर मी. They can provide online and offline classes also. If anyone can looking for digital marketing, so Kaiser Academy is the best place for you. Thank you.